Hello po, Prof. Mel. Ernie Avila here again, your DSU student enrolled in Com 380 as one of our electives. So, the FMA 3 instruction is to evaluate po the FMA 1. So, meaning whatever I place there will be evaluated. Pero may FMA 1, 2, and 3 po are the same po. No? It focused only in one paper na nandito po. It's the case study of entitled The City as the Classroom, the case of Start Young Advocacy at Silliman University, Philippines. It is a published study of Maestro Campo Jr. and Makahi, professors at the College of Arts and Sciences and Psychology Department of the Silliman University in Dumaguete City. So again, the research title is The City as the Classroom, the case of Start Young Advocacy at Silliman University, Philippines, that was published in CSI, the Journal of Infrastructure Development. Just recent lang po ito, no? In July 2025. So the authors are the faculty members of School of Public Affairs and Governance and Psychology Department of the Silliman University. So the authors did in this study is they engaged with the community as the real environment for practical and reflective learning. So why I chose this topic, ma'am, is because I am a college instructor and of course I am related to higher education, um, particularly the experiential learning as one of the professional education instructor in the College of Education in our university. So here, the authors here develop insights and acquire knowledge through interaction among the diverse group and location, particularly for the setting which is the Siliman or the Dumaguete City. No? So here, ang ginawa po ng authors is the student here under the Civic Welfare Training Service or CWTS, this is one of the major under the NSTP or the National Service Training Program. The students enrolled in CWTS of that in that university work with 30 daycare centers. And ang ginawa po nila is they utilize the Kolb experiential learning theory as their framework. What they did was they conduct po a written reflections of the interview and then the student learning outcomes during the NSTP. Ang title po ng activities nila are Head, Heart, and Feet Model. So dito po, every now and then the students were given reflection papers by their professors under the CWTS and eventually po hahanapin po nila kung paano po or how the Kolb learning experience is applicable to the daycare center teachers. And eventually, i-connect po ito to the environment, to the conducive learning spaces of the daycare centers in the Dumaguete City, and of course, to provide contribution to the UN SDGs. So, ang theoretical underpinning po neto is the authors guided the learners using the Kolb experiential learning theory. So here, the students get a concrete experience, then they get that from their reflections and observation, and eventually they will develop now their abstract conceptualization of the concepts they generated from the reflection paper, and eventually they will try that as part of the active experimentation and eventually they will write their reflection paper again, and series of activities will follow eventually following this, called experiential learning theory. Hypothetically po, I will evaluate the Start M Young advocacy project of the professors who published the study, considering first whether the Kolb's experiential learning theory is still relevant to the Start M Young project, because um, we need to know whether the foundation of learning is uh, apparent due to the experience, reflection, and concept action generated by the NSTP, particularly the CWTS students who were immersed in the daycare centers po, no? Although the Kolb's experiential learning theory was used as the core theory of the publication, we wanted to know pa rin po whether um, the findings or the data really follows or are within the expectations of the Kolb's experiential learning theory. Also, I'd like to know whether the Mesereau's transformative learning is also applicable to the Start M Young project, considering yung perspective po, the values and critical thinking of the learners might change when they interact now with the daycare center teachers, no? Likewise po, I'd like to emphasize also in their case study, the community-based learning or CBL, wherein the interaction among and between among the students to their to their students, no, or colleagues or peers or classmates, together also their interaction with their professors, no? And then of course their interaction with the community, with the daycare center students, and then the daycare center teachers. Whatever the interactions there, we need to know po the reciprocity and mutual understanding and the benefit of each of the stakeholders involved in that Start M Young project. So we can measure that po using the different evaluation tools I listed here. Likewise, I'd like to use also pedagogy of care theory of Noddings, wherein I'd like to know whether the emotional intelligence plus the ethical care and then the caring relationships of the CWTS students improved after their exposure to the Start M Young project. I'd like also to understand whether the systems thinking here is also part of this, considering that we need to know the dynamics of the Start M Young project, since the learners or the CWTS learners will interact with the different components of the program. Likewise, I'd like to understand also whether the social learning theory of Bandura is applicable also to the study. No, since modeling po of the daycare center teachers might be might give the CWTS learners a different point of view. Learning through observation and reinforcement also might happen. Therefore, I'd like to observe whether these learning are manifested in their students. However, you might be asking, why is there is none or there is no ACSM presentation here? Because po, ma'am, I think the ACSM here is just into a beginning level, no? I think if I am syempre po as a researcher, I cannot advocate for something if the impact or the effectiveness of the program is not yet attained. Pero somehow po, the interactions, the relationship, the communication, the social mobilizations is there or are there na po or in place in that project. However, for a wide scale of ACSM, um, I have to check on that pa rin po siguro if I am about to evaluate hypothetically the Start M Young project. So thank you very much, Doc Mel, and I hope you understand po my report. Salamat po. And here po, ma'am, is the reference of the research paper that I discussed. Thank you very much po.